ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି
This day, we are gathered here to celebrate the World Poetry Day, to celebrate the expression of human soul. We are delighted to have with us on the dais Professor M.B. Naik sir, retired Professor of English, former Principal of Dr. J.K.S. College, Barmatpur, as our chief guest. He is a well-known teacher, speaker, and genius of language and linguistics. His soothing speeches carry profound meaning and wisdom. He is always determined to work for students' welfare and prosperity. Along with Vivekananda and Yakumaji Sabat, he organizes various events for the development of youth. His enthusiastic ideas and rejuvenated smile has always been a guiding force for us. Thank you, sir, for your kind presence.
We are honored to have with us on the dais a man who need no introduction, Dr. Rajendra Padi sir, Assistant Professor of English, HOD, Department of English, OSOU, an eminent poet, literary figure, and inspiration for many as our chief speaker. He has publications in various national and international conferences. His august presence has always guided us to overcome various hindrances on our way.
Naik and Professor Padi. So, because they are repeatedly visiting our institution, whenever there will be a call from the English department, they always ready to make themselves available. And they are sharing their idea. And I think definitely their idea is enlightening our students, particularly of the English department. And so far the poetry day, World Poetry Day is concerned, I am not a poet and I don't have much idea about the literature. And so far my perception is concerned regarding the poetry. It is the most important part of the literature. And through poetry, the mass of people can be motivated, which was used during our freedom fighter. Many poets, they have written different poetry and some.
Respected Chief Guest, Professor M.B. Naik sir, respected Chief Speaker, Professor Rajendra Kumar Padi sir, dear colleagues from different departments and dear students from different departments, including our department. Today we are organizing World Poetry Day. All of you know that poetry is the soul of human life. Starting from our birth to our death and in between, the whole life is a poetry. How it is a poetry, let me explain. When we were in our mother's womb, we had also an association with the divine. Nobody can deny this fact. When we take birth, when we touch the ground, we also get poetry of our mother. And you know the mother's glory, it's a beautiful poetry. The way mother takes care of her child and gives different names, looks at the sky, the moon, the stars, and the way she sings his childhood, the song for her child, starting from your twinkle twinkle. We grow with poetry, and when we enter into our adolescence, we start perceiving love. May it be man-woman love, may it be divine love, may it be love for the motherland, or love for our parents, or any kind of love. We grow with love. And when we enter into our youth, particularly, and all of you know that we start perceiving love.
Head of the department, my brother Mohammed, my most lovely students of ISB, department. Love you all actually. Or else I am very busy too. I am organizing one international poetry festival there. A galaxy of world famous poets, including one prime minister of a country, other famous Hollywood actress Helen Corona is chocolate movie and the heroine of the Planet of the Apes. They are all present there. I have convinced them because I happen to be in close connection with them in different poetry books. And George of the Rabindranath Tagore Award of India, along with Helen Corona and Jack Morgan of United States of America. I am very happy that I am with you all, not as a chief speaker, but as a members and you may call me mentors. Anurag, I am very sorry that I have kept your manuscripts. They are in my computer. Next Sunday I will be sitting for 6, 7, 8 hours and will be editing. Welcome to the World Poetry Day 2025. A grand occasion all over the world. In every college, in every university, in every poetic organizations of the world, this day is wonderfully and greatly celebrated. You know,
After listening to Mr. Malik and Mr. Fadi, I don't think I have to speak. But I will sing. I will sing. Because poetry is music.
yes,
Music is the soul of poetry. If music be the food of love, playing on Shakespeare says.
ये कौन सी लाइन है? शेक्सपियर and you like it.
You have heard speeches. This was the last 1.5 hour. I was mesmerized by Padi Babu's speech. Mr. Padi, a very well-read, cultured, specifically poetry, unparalleled. It is the fortune of NSCB College that on World Poetry Day we could have